Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump right back into the next step in the video that we're going to be doing about, or the program we're going to be writing about, Greatest Common Denominator, Greatest Common Factor, however you want to think about it. So now, as of last video, we saw that we can run this function if we have a return keyword and a value. That Python doesn't care, it understands that this is a list right here. So then that's being returned and so on like that. So now let's get a little bit trickier, and we're going to pick two kind of obscure let's do 81, let's do num 81 and 18. Okay, so alright, now we're going to build on this just a little bit right here. So instead of this is we're going to grab, and also we're going to do max and min, and I'll have in the comment section what video is max and min, so refer to that. So alright, let's change this up, max of num. So alright, let's check and make sure we get all the factors of these, and let's get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. Let's run this again so it's not confusing. And here are our factors for 81. Now what we're doing here is we are wanting to find the greatest common factor. So now what we're going to do is and I want to point out, so if this is grabbing this and it's going through, the greatest factor is here at the end, and they ascend. Let's change this around. Let's move this to and go through 0 and then -1, and I'll have notes here. If you don't understand what this is, I'll have some notes in the description of what videos to go look at the range function. So alright, start, stop, and step if you don't understand what I'm doing right there. So now let's run this and see what happens. Awesome. So now 81 is going first and so forth. So now what we're going to do is we're going to then check if I in factors min num, I think I forgot a parentheses. Yep, there we go, because the spacing didn't look right. Print I, and then break, because we're doing this because if this meets this situation, actually let's leave out the break. Let's do it. Let's see what happens. So alright, so these are in both. So let's show you what I did. My goodness. Print max of num. Oops. Factors. Print factors min num and so forth. My goodness, that's a lot of parentheses. Okay, so here we go. 81's here, 27, 9. So we have a match of 9 and 9. We have a match of 3 and 3, and we have a match of 1 and 1. But the greatest common factor is 9. So that's why we want the break. So let's run this again. Okay, so 9. So that is that. And next video we're gonna clean this up a little bit, and we're gonna maybe add some jargon and a little bit of description of what we're doing here and get rid of that, so because we don't need that because we understand what we're doing now. So there you go. So please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and the most important, that little bell notifying you when we have videos, because we're to the point now where we're having a video a day coming out. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and don't forget to leave any comments, questions, or video requests, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.